Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video, video number 124. Yeah, so this is the video, guys. Got my $1,000 team turnover bonus. It's about 2:20 in the morning. I just got home from a night out, so I got my notification while I was out. So I thought I'd make this video real quick to show you guys. So somebody in my team invested a big, huge chunk of change last night. So it did put me over the $25,000 team turnover section here where you can graduate to the next tier for the teams, 10.5% tier. So I got the $1,000 bonus. So go to my back office here, guys, and if you look at the top right up here, you can see the $1,000 went in, plus extra little bonus because of the investment. So what I'm going to do on this video, I'm actually going to make a $600 investment of this and then take the rest out, basically. So we're going to go to investments here. And then from here, what we're going to do, we're going to make a $600 investment. So I'm going to put this to $600. Whoop. Change this to 600. Make an investment. I got to enter in the code here, guys. Should pop up here in a few seconds. Okay, going on my 164648. Okay, it's really exciting, guys, because I'm now going to flip over into the next tier. So you'll see this number go down to 417, and if I go down here back to investments again, I should have, scrolling down, this is exciting, guys. Let's see. There we go. 80%, 20% tier, guys. So I've graduated to the next tier. So you know what that means. I am now going to be earning 80% of the daily earnings, and the company's going to get 20%. So I am officially right here, guys, in this tier. It's been a long time, but I know all my videos I said I was going to reach it, but I finally reached it, guys. This is the day. So really excited about that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rest of the 417. I'm going to do a withdrawal. I just have to go log into my S wallet here real quick. I'm just going to do a withdrawal request, get all this money out of here. Get the code on this here, guys. A lot of codes, but it is what it is, right? 025954. There we go. Oh, 0259. Oh, 025954. There we go. Sorry about that. It's 2:20 in the morning, guys, so my brain is not all there. So anyways, I'm going to withdraw into SWCT. Going to go back in here. Go to finance. Gonna do the withdrawal tab. Gonna do 416.22, right? Because it's $1 to do withdrawal. 417, so 416.22. There. Gotta go into my S wallet. Do a withdrawal. Enter in the code. Get another code in a few seconds here. That's 296544. Okay. I'm gonna hit continue on that. And now you see the money at the very top is all zeros, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick 5-minute daily review video for this. So as you see, I made the $1,000 bonus, reinvested $600 of that, which is down here. And yeah, so now I'm at the 80%, 20% tier, as you can see right there. And my principal now is $25,200. So yeah, so that's what I'm trading upon, guys. And in about, not this Tuesday, but the following Tuesday, I'm going to be putting another like 400 or 500 in here. So this is going to go up another $400 or $500. So yeah, guys, so that just concludes my 5-minute daily review video. I know I just went over. But yeah, if you guys want to join S Group, there's a sign up link down below. You can click the sign up link, join my team, and yeah, you can make passive income like this, guys. I made $859 in 17 days, as you can see. And when this gets to 28 days, I'm going to combine all these three. The money will go back up to the top here again, and then I'm going to make another reinvestment and just keep doing the cycle over and over again. So, yeah, don't forget to click on the sign up button down below. You can sign up underneath my team. I'll show you everything. Shoot me an email, and also don't forget to click on the sign up link down below and the subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel and you can see all my updates like this, guys. So, thanks for sharing this monumental day with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.